It is the final countdown before LA's new mask mandate kicks in. Everyone, vaccinated or not, will have to cover up in indoor public spaces. This all comes amid a surge in COVID-19 cases. The county today reported more than 1,800 new cases, and this is the 9th straight day there have been more than 1,000 cases. There were also 11 new deaths. 462 people are in the hospital tonight with COVID-19. Our Jeff Nguyen is live in Whittier tonight with what you need to know. Jeff?
Susie and Chris, the latest COVID tally is an 8-fold increase from a month ago, which is why the mask mandate returns 1 minute before midnight. Stroll through uptown Whittier and you're reminded the pandemic isn't over. At Shop the Runway, the masking requirement stayed in place even when the government previously lifted it. Claudia Prado says face coverings haven't hurt her bottom line.
There might be like a few here and there that, will not come in. Like they'll just kind of like pop their head in and look around, but won't come in. But so far, everyone's been pretty good. Which
is why she supports the return of a mask mandate for indoor settings in LA County on Sunday. But other business owners say enforcement unfairly falls on their shoulders.
Why do I have to be the one telling them what to do and what not to do? That's not coming from me. I don't make those rules.
Over the last week, LA County has reported a steady uptick in new daily COVID cases. The latest tally is about 4 times greater than the 4th of July.
The numbers are really starting to go up in the unvaccinated population because of the Delta variant.
Public health officials say more than 97% of those hospitalized for coronavirus nationwide are unvaccinated, which is about 4 million people in LA County. In Lenox, THE Wellness Centers held a free vaccination clinic in an effort to turn around sagging vaccination numbers. Back in uptown Whittier, Gennaro Ruiz has kept his mask requirement in place throughout the pandemic.
We need to do it to protect. Plus, I have coworkers that are high-risk pregnancy.
LA County Sheriff Alex Villanueva says that his department will not enforce the mask mandate. Instead, he is asking for voluntary compliance. Reporting live from uptown Whittier, Jeff Nguyen, KCAL 9 News.
All right, Jeff, thank you.